good.
Writing an estimate.
You just have to take a picture?
I do everything careful, so for myself, I write a note and take a picture to make sure like I don't do any mistakes. A lot of people, they're lazy, they don't want to do that. I take more time, but make sure like I don't do mistakes.
How much is tail light?
This one they're gonna pay for recycle. Recycled means used.
Cullinan is almost done. Tow truck is waiting outside. A lot of work today. Monday, super busy. A lot of stuff, you guys. There's all kinds of things going on. Custom work, body work, mechanical work. We're trying to get everything done. But yeah, we're good. Today's going to be a podcast. I'm very excited about the podcast. I got a lot to say. So you guys have to watch the podcast. It's going to be very, very special. Inside the shop right now, so we're waiting for the Cullinan to come out. Tow truck's waiting, and then we have about 2 to 3 cars that have to come out also, because we are going to start the podcast. Podcast is coming up. We need to set up for the podcast, and once we do set up for it, we cannot take cars out because we're going to be so busy at that time. So we have to do everything now, get it ready, so we can give the clients cars back before 6 p.m.
That car needs to go here, that car needs to go there, that car needs to go up there, the other one needs to go there, the other one needs to go there. So we can move that car and put it there so they can start doing primer, polish.
Which car?
This Corvette needs to move, all right? The Range Rover needs to move out of there, the S-Class needs to come down, the other S-Class on the right side needs to come down. So we can put the other car over here so I can have it primed. So because they need to polish it in 3 days because the customer's coming.
Which car? I'm still confused. Which car do you want here? Everybody has a name for a different name. Zoomster.
What's your name for me?
Scrooge.
Okay, man.
Oh yeah, how come he gets a parking spot there?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what's happening.
VIP. Look.
You've been here longer than all of us, and you can't even park inside.
Yeah.
You don't have a car. You use a van.
He has an Aston Martin. That's why.
You use our filming van as your van.
That's a nice car. That's why you can park there. How come you get to park here? I haven't been
driving
able
an
to park.
expensive car.
I told you.
So much taller than most.
Yeah. I drove. These two grow every day, like half an inch or something.
Or drink milk. Drink your milk, kids.
We're over here at the wrap facility getting stuff done. This is that Maserati MC20 that we bashed on and we got a lot of heat about. We did a full clear, bro. We're gonna take it back to the shop and paint all the bottom plastics gloss black. Also, this car, as I was told, Maserati reached out, said after 500 miles it gets a little bit faster, so we're gonna have to test drive it again. But yeah, we're at the wrap shop. We're satin clear brawling a RSQ8 right there in a beautiful blue color, wrapping many cars at the same time. So I'm super happy about this place. We're still doing a little bit of construction and stuff, but yeah. So we're gonna take the Maserati back to the main shop right now.
I'm not even in the video, they call me fat. I'm not fat. Well, I am, but whatever. I'm not that fat.
Look at him this way, he's good.
Lost a lot of weight. Oh, yeah.
So apparently Zumi is a new character on the show.
Oh,
so
good.
Welcome Zumi. The photography work that you guys see, which is excellent, and he's also now guest starring on the RDB YouTube episodes.
We made it. Mama, we made it.
To the big time, huh?
They told me I was going to be in Hollywood when I came to LA.
Yeah, so this is as Hollywood as you
I didn't know this was it.
Welcome to Hollywood.
Thank you. I want my money back.
That's just regular Urus. Look.
The turns it does is pretty crazy. Not gonna lie. Wait a second, does your BMW have that?
No, it doesn't.
Very good job. Very busy day. Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, you guys just saw that Mercedes. What is that called? The EQC, EQE, EQS. I don't know what even it's called. We have two of them. It's the future of Mercedes, full electric, and the rear wheels turn more than any other car I've ever seen. So pretty crazy stuff. But yeah.
Oh, strong man.
Alright guys, since we are on the topic of bikes, a lot of people have been reaching out. We have a lot of guys watching us that also enjoy bikes. So here's another bike. This is a special build from Bicycle Pit Stop. One of my buddies owns that shop. He does very, very high-end special builds. This is a Bianchi Specialissima. I don't even know how to pronounce that. This weighs 11 pounds. I mean, I could lift it, no problem. One finger. 11 pounds. It's probably the lightest road bike that's fully loaded. It's super light. Nothing is shaved off of it. It's got carbon fiber handle bar in the front completely. Everything's carbon fiber. It has these special rim brakes that are super light, and they have like a cool colorway going on. So this is a little bit, has a cooler colorway. Wheels are extremely light. Everything was just made light. That was the purpose of this build. So it's also for sale. So if anybody wants to inquire about it, it's for sale. You can hit up Bicycle Pit Stop or us and buy this thing. It's brand new. It literally hasn't been like ridden at all. So we had it up on my car right now with the sea sucker stuff. They sent it to us and we put it on. It holds really well. You just have to take the front wheel off, which is very easy on these super bikes. So yeah, this is considered a crazy super bike, like a lightweight Performante or something. It's literally that because it's so light. It's like, I can't even explain to you guys. Like if you pick this up, you'd be freaked out how light it is. So yeah, I don't have the right shoes, but it's also windy. But let's just
I'm getting rollers.
it's super light. This thing feels incredible, honestly. My bike kind of feels like a pig now. It's got electric shifting as well, so 11 pounds with electric shifting, pretty crazy. So if you guys want a crazy bike, you can hit us up too now. Alright guys, I am standing in front of Chris Brown's Porsche Turbo. You guys have seen this car previously. We wrapped it like twice, and then most recently about a year ago he got into a car accident. The car was parked in front of a restaurant in LA at the valet, and then somebody came smashed behind it, moved forward and smashed to the car in front of it. It was all over the news. He drove it home, but the front and the back were just like beat up. This has a wide body kit that was done previously. We didn't do that. It had a wide body kit on there, and it was in kind of not a great situation. It had a lot of cracks, a lot of rust, a lot of stuff. So in the meantime, fixing the front and back, we went ahead and fixed most of the body kit as well, and then we wrapped it in this satin silver color, which you guys have seen us do before. It's a really cool color, and the powder coated neon green wheels. As you can see, very bright wheels. He wanted it this way. We went over a few renditions. He picked the satin silver with the green like this, and honestly it pops really well. The satin silver is amazing, and it is a wide body Porsche Turbo after all, so pretty sick, honestly. We managed to find like an alleyway, and it still becomes a race car driving street in LA. But yeah, we do our best for you guys, so keep watching. That's Chris Brown's Porsche Turbo right there. As you guys know, we've been doing all of his cars, so we have actually 2 more cars at the shop from him, so a lot more to come. But yeah, thank you for watching.